You are welcome to the third topic in the SS2 scheme of work. And this topic is sequence and series 1. By the end of this topic, you should be able to understand the following: definition of terms, recognizing patterns of a sequence and finding non-given terms, finding end time of a given linear sequence, finding end time of a given quadratic sequence, finding end time of a given cubic sequence, finding specific terms of a sequence given n terms, finding specific term of a sequence given a recurrence relation and one or more terms, n term of arithmetic progression. We are also going to consider sum of first n times of AP, first formula and the second formula. It is expected that at the end of this topic, you should be able to solve problems on the itemized learning objectives. Thank you.